I initially realized that I wanted to go back to school because I was working a laborsome trade and I needed to refocus my career and I want to branch out into another career, and I realized that I wouldn't be able to do that without an education, so online classes provided me that opportunity. As a non-traditional student, starting back in college classes after nearly 20 years of not being in school, I had learned a lot of practical life experiences, work experiences. I was a small business owner, so I was able to take a lot of the things that I learned and leverage that into online classes and be able to focus my energy completely on my classes. Really helped give me a good head start once I enrolled. I've really enjoyed my time here at Northeast Lakeview College. The staff is great to work with. I've had some wonderful teachers, wonderful professors, and I've made some great connections with students. I had the opportunity to travel through study abroad last year. It's just been fantastic. There's really no negatives, it's all positives. Attending Alamo Colleges online allows me to stay connected to my family, my work, extracurricular activities, hobbies, because I'm able to manage my time and really juggle things as needed. And if I need to be flexible on a certain day, it allows me the ability to pivot easily when needed. Knowing that I'm going to be graduating from Northeast Lakeview College makes me happy, makes me proud for myself and my family that we are going to have new opportunities. Once I transfer and get my bachelor's, it's just another 2 years from now, and I'll start a new career, and it's just exciting. It's fun, exciting, and I'm proud of my achievements. My name is Johnathan. I'm made for progress, and Alamo Online is made for me.